Back in April 2022, we can see the shed doors on Barron Street steam shed were being replaced from the wooden type to the roller shutter type. Barron Street sheds, we must remember, is nearly 200 years old, and there are various iterations along here with the old steam sheds actually having disappeared. Known as the car sheds, we can see here that the drainage and pointing and the roof tiles and a lot of other work needs to be undertaken to be able to keep our shed in an operational condition. Externally, the shed belies the beauty that is actually inside the shed here. And 60103 looks outside as our Lancashire and Yorkshire A-class is made ready for service. 60103 was here in the sheds ready to be fettled. Built in 1923, let's not forget, it will be 100 years old next year in 2023.
It takes a very special set of engineers to be able to keep such a pristine locomotive on the main line. So let's take a look as we go through the next few months and see the Flying Scotsman slowly stripped down, refettled and made ready for its 100th birthday. All of the pipes that you can see on the floor here are known as superheated tubes, and they will go inside the boiler of the Scotsman sat behind. And so to the running in day on the 8th of October 2022. The Scotsman is brought out on the ELR. You have been watching an Atlantic video view of 60103 on the East Lancashire Railway in Bury.